G'day social media followers, it's Allan, your local tech guy from Thornton IT. Today I'm working on this MacBook Air. It had a broken LCD panel and it wasn't easy to replace. In fact, it was the most difficult repair on a laptop I've ever done. Let's get started. So what I'm doing here is heating the bezel around the LCD panel in an attempt to soften the glue that holds the bezel in place. I'll use a thin metal pry tool to slide between the bezel and the LCD panel. I'll work around the entire perimeter of the bezel, paying close attention to the eyesight camera assembly and its wiring harness. Now what I'm doing here is removing the screws that hold the LCD panel assembly and the LCD panel PCB to the display assembly. You'll see me during the video spraying something onto the MacBook Air. It's compressed air in a can. I'm using the compressed air in an attempt to remove any dust particles. Now it's not a concern that I damage the LCD panel further or damage the LCD PCB, as this is what I'm replacing and the PCB comes with a new panel. But I need to pay careful attention to the LCD backlight ribbon cable and the LCD signal cable when disconnecting them from the LCD PCB. So what's happening here is I'm carefully prying up the LCD panel and heating the glue that holds the LCD panel in place. The glue is on the left, right and top sides of the panel, and this is where things get tricky and complex. Under the LCD panel there are thin layer sheets to diffuse the backlight and to do other important things. Damage these and it's game over. Okay, so I'm positioning the new LCD panel in aid to plugging in the LCD signal cable and the LCD backlight ribbon cable. Once these cables are connected, a quick test to confirm that the LCD panel and backlight are working. Once I've confirmed that the screen color is correct and the brightness controls works, I'll fix the LCD panel and LCD PCB in place, replace the display bezel gasket, and fix the bezel down with strong adhesive tape. Okay, so that's it from me. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like and share. If you have any comments or feedback, or if there's something you'd like to see, please post it in the comments section below. And remember, if it's broke, call Allan, your local tech guy from Thornton IT.